Question number 6. The line segment joining A minus 3 comma 1 and B 5 comma minus 4 is a diameter of a circle whose center is C. Find the coordinates of the point C. Solution. A is equal to minus 3 comma 1 and B is equal to 5 comma minus 4. Circle and center C, that is x comma y, and A point is equal to minus 3 comma 1 and B point is equal to 5 comma minus 4. It's a diameter, and we find the center point C, that is CXY. x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to minus 4. By midpoint formula, that is Cx comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Cx comma y is equal to x1 is minus 3 plus x2 is 5 divided by 2 comma y1 is 1 minus y2 is minus 4 divided by 2, which implies Cx comma y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and 2 upon 2 is equal to 1 and minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So we get Cx comma y is equal to 2 is cancel, 1 comma minus 3 upon 2. Answer. A is equal to minus 3 comma 1, B is equal to 5 comma minus 4, and it's a diameter AB and center point C, that is x comma y. We find the value of C, and x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to minus 4. So by midpoint formula, Cxy is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 is minus 3 plus x2 is 5 divided by 2, that is 5 minus 3 equal to 2 upon 2 is 1, and 1 minus 4 upon 2, minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So we get the point C x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 3 upon 2. Answer. Question number 7. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points 3m comma 6 and minus 4 comma 3n is 1 comma 2m minus 1. Find the value of m and n. Let given point A is equal to 3m comma 6 and B is equal to minus 4 comma 3n, that is equal to x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. x1 is equal to 3m and y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to -4 and y2 is equal to 3n. Is 1 comma minus 2m minus 1 its midpoint. Midpoint is equal to 1 comma 2m minus 1, that is center point C, by midpoint formula. One comma 2m minus 1 is equal to its center point, and that is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and 1 comma 2m minus 1 is equal to x1 is 3m minus 4 upon 2 comma y1 is 6 plus 3n upon 2. First point is equal to 1 and second point is equal to 2m minus 1, which implies first point 3m minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 1. 2 is multiplying 1, which implies 3m minus 4 is equal to 2, and 4 is shifting right side. 3m is equal to 2 plus 4. 4 will be positive, and 3m is equal to 6, which implies m is equal to 6 upon 3, that is 2, which implies we get the value of m is equal to 2. And second point, that is 6 plus 3n divided by 2 is equal to 2m minus 1. Second point is here 2m minus 1. 6 plus 3n upon 2 is equal to 2m minus 1. And 2 is multiplying by right side. Then we get 6 plus 3n is equal to 2 2s are 4m minus 2. And value of m is equal to 2, which implies 6 plus 3n is equal to m is 2, 2 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 2. So 6 plus 3n is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and we are shifting right side 6, then 3n is equal to 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0, and 3n is equal to 0, which implies n is equal to 0. So m comma n is equal to 2 comma 0. Answer. Let a is equal to 3m comma 6, that is x1 comma y1, and b is equal to minus 4 comma 3n, that is x2 comma y2. x1 is 3m, y1 is 6, x2 is minus 4, y2 is equal to 3n. Midpoint is 1 comma minus 2m minus 1, its center point, and so by midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, and we have x1 is 3m x2 is minus 4 divided by 2, y1 is 6 plus y2 is 3n upon 2. We are comparing first point that is equal to 1 and second point that is equal to 2m minus 1. First point that is 3m minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 1 and 2 ones are 2. 4 is shifting right side. 4 will be positive and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3m equal to 6 means m is equal to 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. We get the value of m is equal to 2. And second point is 6 plus 3n upon 2, that is equal to 2m minus 1. 2 2s are 4m minus 2 1s are 2. We are putting m is equal to 2 in this equation. 4 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 6 plus 3n is equal to 6, which implies 3n is equal to 6 is shifting right side. 6 will be negative and 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So we get the value of n is equal to 0 divided by 3, that is equal to 0. And m comma n is equal to, value of m is equal to 2 and value of n we get equal to 0. So answer. So answer is equal to 2m. So m comma n is equal to 2 comma 0. Answer. Question number 8. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment PQ are 1 comma minus 2. The coordinates of P are minus 3 comma 2. Find the coordinates of Q. Coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment PQ is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Coordinates of P, that is equal to minus 3 comma 2. And we find the coordinates of Q. Coordinates of Q, x 1 comma y1. By midpoint formula. x1 minus 3 upon 2 comma y1 plus 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1 comma minus 2. x1 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 1. Cross multiplying, x1 is equal to 2 1s are 2 plus 3, which implies x1 is equal to 5. And y1 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to, second point is minus 2, which implies y1 plus 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4. We are shifting, y1 is equal to minus 4 minus 2. y1 is equal to minus 6. So coordinates of Q is equal to 5 comma minus 6. Answers. Coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment PQ is equal to 1 comma minus 2 and coordinates of P is minus 3 comma 2. We find the coordinates of Q. So by midpoint formula, coordinates of Q is x1 comma y1, its assumption, and by midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is equal to 1 comma minus 2. First point, that is equal to 1, second point, that is equal to minus 2. First point is x1 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 1, 2 1s are 2 and 3 shifting right, 3 will be positive and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We get x1 equal to 5. And second point, that is y1 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 2s are minus 4 and 2 is shifting right, this will be negative, minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6, and value of y1 is equal to minus 6. So the coordinates of Q is equal to x1 is 5 and y1 is minus 6. Answer. Thank you.